Hi, my name is Foroughi, and I am 44 years old. I had a couple of spots in the back of my head that they were losing hairs, and um, over time they got bigger. They kind of connected and became this big area. And then I met Melanie, and Melanie told me about the vitamins and the oil that she was offering. I also have a friend that she's a pharmacist, and I was showing her all the products, and she told me, she looked at all the ingredients of the supplements, and she told me this is a top-notch vitamin. I tried that for a month. I took all the supplements, and also I used the oil for morning and night, twice a day. Had a great result. It's been about a month and a half now. This morning I was trying to put the oil in the area, and I couldn't really see where it was. So I just put it in the area that I knew as the vicinity of it, because the bald spots are gone. So I'm very happy with the result. Thank you.